character counts everywhere, all the time. And character for you young people will be very important. Your work and what you do to build and contribute to the Bahamas is what we will have to celebrate for the next 50 years. So take it all in. Take in what your teachers are teaching you. Take in the lessons that your parents are putting in your life. Take in all of the opportunities that are offered to you from your country, so that someday, when we are celebrating the next 50 years, you will be a part of that story in the most impactful way.